Hello guys, this is the video I promised to drop, so make sure you watch to the end, okay? In this video I'll show you how you win instant visual constantly. So now today I'm going to show you just one reliable trick I use, one tips I use, and it's up to club, okay, from England. I'll show you this. And we're going to bet over 2.2 and 1 point and over 1 point. So on these tips I'll show you how I get my bets right, but it's not always, you don't win always, but I can show you is 80% sure. You can bet up to 5 times. I believe you win 3 times, or 4 times you lose 1. But when you lose, the trick I normally do, when I lose once, I double my betting. When I lose again, I triple my betting so I can gain and get my money back. But with this, I think you're good to go. But you always remember. So we're gonna start with the first wisely, club. Okay. Let's get started. We have what we're playing on. We're playing on Man U versus Southampton. You need to make sure Man U always be in home, okay? When Man U is home, Southampton is away, you are good to go. And do check the odd, because they do change their odd every day. Every day they do work on this system every day, every week, okay? So when you check on, you need to skip. Just go to next one. Continue skipping till you get Man U Southampton. Now I have Man U Southampton now. So what I will do, I'm playing over 1.5 and over 2.5. Okay. So I will tell you the odd you need to pick when you go to Man U and Southampton. Check on over 2.5 and 1.5. When you see 1.25 and 1.27, my brother, you're good to go. I bet you are 80% sure of winning over 2.5 and 1.5. But the best chance I always take, I play both. I pick over 2.5 and over 1.5. Then I'll have to stake 100 naira each of them. So when I lose over 2.5, I gain little, and over 1.5. So that's how it works. But I promise you this, you're not gonna regret this, because if you're gonna play 5 games and lose 1 or 2, so what's the need? Which means it's almost 80% sure. So I'm playing this. I'll show you how I play 8 of this game and lose just 1. You see how much profit I'll get. So just watch. Make sure you watch the video to the end, because not only Man U and Southampton, we also have Man City, Newcastle, and Man City, Crystal Palace. Man City, Newcastle do win the same as Man U and Southampton, over 1.5 and over 2. While the Crystal Palace, Man City, Crystal Palace, Man City home, Crystal Palace away, always have under 3.5. So I will show you how I play this game, so you see what I'm saying. So let me start with Man U and Southampton. So now this is the first game. The game has started. Alright, we have over 1.5. Oh, we've won already. So this is our first game. Okay. So I'm gonna play this game often and show you the one of Man City too. Man City do go with Southampton sometimes, but it's not like the Man U, like Man U always win, The Man City club, Man City is best for, let's say, like in Man City Crystal Palace, they do play under 3.5. They do play under 3.5, while Man City Southampton, don't win over 1.5 over 2.5. Then Man City and Norwich also win. Okay, so but when you see Man City Crystal Palace, don't play, or you play it for under 1.5. So you're seen playing. Let me see Man City and Southampton. Let me show you. You do need to skip till you see them. Okay, this is Man City Southampton. So I'm betting Man City Southampton. I'll also show you with Man City Crystal Palace. Whenever you see Man City home, Crystal Palace home, Man City away, they play under 3 points. 3 points, they can even play under 2 points, okay? So it's not good, you don't bet over 2. Even over 1 on Man City Crystal Palace is it's kind of a risk because they might even win Man City. So now this Man City Southampton, you've won already. This first half 1-1. So won. It's over 2 points. Over 3 points. Wait, let's see score. Okay. See over 3 points. So these two games, Man City Southampton, Man U Southampton is good, but Man U Southampton is most likely have the win than Man City Southampton. While Man City and Crystal Palace have under 1.5. Then thirdly, Man City and Watford always win like Man U Southampton. Man City Watford do get over 2.5, over 1.5. So I will just show you. I'll show you how the game you need to pick. Just make sure you watch this video to the end, okay? Because I will play more, then you'll see how I do win. Today is October 4th, so it's live. I'm just doing this video now. My next video will be on the one you can pick up to 4 games and win at once over 1.5 and over 2.5. So today I'm just dropping this single game, okay? Now you need to be skipping till you get to the club we're looking for. We're looking for Man City Southampton, Man City Watford, Man U, and Man U versus Southampton. Then Man City Crystal Palace under 3. So when you see this game, you can play like Man City Crystal Palace. Okay, let's play this game. See under 3, the hard is reasonable, 1.48 hard, so it's good. It's nice. You see, both came the same time. Man U Southampton. This is our second game or third game, right? Our third game now. Man U Southampton. Our third game. won already. So here's the third game. If you notice, they always play over 2, sometimes over 3, over 3. Let's play over 3, like 4 goals or more. So what next? What next are we picking now? Southampton Man U, so we're not playing that because Man U is away. It's not gonna work. Just have to be skipping until you get what you're looking for. Alright, we have Man City Southampton. Man City Southampton. Are you sure? Are we going to play this song? Let's just play it. Man City Southampton. Over 2 and over 1. Mind you, when you lose once, your next stake, you have to double your money. So you win back your money and get a little profit. So you don't just say you lose, then you play the same amount now. So if you stake 1,000 and you lose, your next stake should be 2,000. If you lose again, stake 4,000. I bet you're not going to lose 3 times and you gain your profit back. That's just how betting system work if you really want to win. I'm playing. If you see, we have Man City Watford now. This is the next one. I just want to show you Man City. So Man City Southampton, Man City Watford, they win. Then Man City Crystal Palace is always under. Okay, and Man U Southampton win over. Take note of that. So that's my tip for today for you. Enjoy. Just watch to the end and see. Please do subscribe to my channel because I'll be dropping video anytime I have little trick. Because they do changes. When they saw people do win always, they change their system, you know. So I do study every time. So anytime I got a new one, I'll drop the video soon. So you don't want to miss this because maybe today, tomorrow, or next, this one will change. Okay. So let's see. It might work throughout the week, or they can change it anytime. So I always check. Alright, let's see what is play next. Okay, let's skip to next. Alright, I can see Man City Crystal Palace. Okay, you know I told you always play under 3. The odd is reasonable, it's 1.48, so it's cool. You don't want to play over 1, so mind you, because it might, it might cut. They might play 0-0. Okay. Now, Man U, Southampton Man U. Southampton Man U. We'll play them on that under 2 can go, under 2, under 3. But I won't let you to risk that. You can skip that. For me, I do play under 3, under 2 sometimes. Okay, so why is that? Because Man U is away, so always ignore, or you play under 2 or under 3. So let's see my under game and see how he goes. Yeah. They're gonna play under. I'm telling you, they're gonna play under. At first, you'll be scared, but sometimes they do win. You understand? They do play over 3 but it's not that well. It's not that okay. See, we've won leagues already. So this is how the game will work. Okay. So you just need to study it very well. Always do click on my channel, subscribe button, and wait for any other move I take. Okay, I'm gonna drop the video soon that you can pick up to 5 p.m. and so forth. You can pick from different clubs or countries like Spain, Italy, Germany, England. You're gonna play over and over 2.5. So that's the next video I'll be dropping soon. Alright guys, this is our last game. As you can see, we've won already. So this is how it works. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can get the new one. I'll be dropping this video often and often, okay? So please, shares, and I'll show you all the winning I've won for this video. And see the lose. I only lose one. You can see. Today is October 4th, right? So these are the games I've played. Let's see. I only lose one. You understand? So thank you guys. Love you all. Wait for my next video, okay? And remember, do bet wisely. Okay? Bye for now. Love you.